I am grounded and centered in my truth. I express myself with courage and confidence. I can be anyone I choose to be. The world is full of endless opportunities. I act from a place of love and trust. When fear arises, I release it with ease. I am in charge of how I relate to the world around me. I focus on the positive, which becomes my reality. I empower myself to maintain healthy boundaries. My boundaries are supporting my well-being. I release the desire to control the world around me. I'm focused on the growth and development of my inner world. I am intentional about how I use my time and energy. I thrive when I am clear and focused. I set actionable goals for myself. I am working toward achieving greatness.